Hi everyone, this is Shadi Abdu with the weekly analysis. As usual, we're going to start with the euro against the American dollar on the weekly time frame. So as you can see here, the pair is traded below a strong resistance level, that is the downtrend line that we can see in red. So let me zoom in a little so we can see everything clearly. Now the pair is about to reach this downtrend line, which makes a strong resistance level, as I mentioned before. So this is where we can wait for the pair to go short. As a matter of fact, in case it shows up some bearish evidence, then we can go short, targeting the level of 1.1030. This is conditioned by the continuation of trading below this resistance level or the downtrend line. Let's move to the GBP USD on the weekly time frame. It is traded now above a strong support level, that is 1.2020. This is where we can look for some bullish evidence for an expected movement to the upside, that it might reach the level of 1.2550, and this is conditioned by the continuation of trading above the level of 1.20. Let's move to the gold on the daily time frame. It is also traded above a strong support level, that is 1478, and this is where we can look for some bullish evidence for an expected movement to the upside, that it might reach the level of 1525. So this is conditioned by the continuation of trading above the support level of 1450. Let's move to the Australian dollar against the American dollar on the daily time frame. So as you can see here, the pair is traded below a strong resistance level. Let me zoom in a little. So this level 0.6838, which is where we can look for some bearish evidence for an expected movement to the downside, that it might reach the level of 0.6650. And this is conditioned by the continuation of trading below the level of 0.6838. Finally, with the GBP/JPY on the daily time frame, let's move to the weekly. Show you something that is very important here. We have a strong resistance level 133.70, but now the pair is traded around 128.38. So what we can do now is to wait for the pair to reach this resistance level 133.70, which is where we can look for some bearish evidence for an expected movement to the downside, that it might reach the level of 128.38. This is conditioned by the continuation of trading below the level of 133.70. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.